A day in the life as a Bisaya, Morena, Filipina, from Dipolog City, representing Philippines. So for today's video, mga kamadams, we're going to waterfalls in Canada today. Today is Sunday. So
Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
we're going
Saturday,
with
Monday.
Michael Santino,
My name is
Brooke, and Jet Cherry.
Jacob. My name is
So,
the Queen, Mommy.
Huminto muna kami
What?
dito sa sa may Walmart kasi
I'm gonna stay here.
may pinuntahan pa sila doon. So, waiting muna kami.
Put that
So,
in the back.
ito yung
Put it in the or what?
just right here. Ito yung driver natin, si Michael. Si Sir Mike. Yung driver natin papuntang Canada. So, ang biyahe namin ay 3 hours and
4 hours.
4 hours. 4 hours pag 4 hours. So, kasama ko pala si Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu. Ako naman si Magellan.
Labulu.
So, nakiuso kami sa trending. Ayan. May mga panyo sa ulo. So, brown na brown yung aking mukha kasi yung powder ko na binili is brown. Pinapantay sa skin ko. Ayaw ko naman bumili ng powder na tan skin ang beauty ko. Tapos bibili ako ng white para lang ako nagmamaskara. So, dito sa New York, walang Asian market dito. Just American market lang.
Ano
So,
Jenga?
maraming Asian market doon sa Jacksonville, Florida. So, malapit na kami bumalik doon. So, next week na ang balik namin doon.
Oh, Kong Kong.
So, excited ka na ba, Santino? Are you excited to see the famous waterfalls, Niagara Falls?
I want you to scream like a girl.
Are you excited, Lapu-Lapu?
Can you
Look at this
stop
one.
saying lapu lapu?
Because you have something in your head, or like that. Si Magellan og Lapu-Lapu. So, istal kayo rong Good morning, New York. Have a good day. Guide us, Lord, sa among biyahe today to Canada. So, I'm so excited to see some places in here in Jamaica. So, guide mo lang kami, Lord, sa aming travel today. So, thank you. Bye. Bye, thank you. Hi, say heart.
I'm not going to say that.
16 ounces. So I filled it up in there. I got 10. And I was like, it cup and hold 16. I know I'm waking everybody up. We just sit my ass down at least hurt. Sat in the car.